Hello, everyone. This video explains how to use the Clip by Path feature for the layering of point clouds caused by long scanning time or repeated scanning. We can use this feature to solve it. You see, this point cloud data has repeated scanning trajectories here, which means a problem in this area. We analyze the profile of this area, and it shows layering. Then, we'll fix the layering with the Clip by Path feature. To make it clearer, we select only the trajectory file and zoom in the points. After selecting both the point cloud and trajectory data, click the Clip by Path feature in the Edit menu. In the upper right toolbar, the first displays or hides the point cloud, the second is reverse selection, and the third is path clipping. We need to select a starting point and end point to cover the problem area. After selection, delete the selected path. We can save the file after deleting the path data directly or clipping the path separately. Once saved, we can check the results through profile analysis. By comparing the same location, we can see that the layered point cloud data has been fixed. By default, Model V200 saves point cloud data with the trajectory file. Once selected, the trajectory can be directly clipped. We can also export the trajectory file by right-clicking the point cloud data.